Alright, Riddle. This is the last shotgun of the night. Riddle's Drunken Adventures.
This is for winning
with
in
Salter.
Beer
Wait,
Pong.
that's for winning in beer pong. This will be the last shotgun of the
When you
night.
play with Salter and Riddle and you win, you do your shotgun.
And if you lose, that means you have to chug a beer, which we already did. So here comes Riddle's shotgun because he lost. We have more beer.
By the way, it's 4 o'clock in the morning.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Actually.
No, actually, it's not because it's actually not. It's
Let's show them the time. Okay, it's 4:45.
$3:46.
Will you stop showing them the time?
47.
Hey.
I had to make it clear. Alright, and here's the video of Riddle. Because he won beer pong. Or actually, he won beer pong, ping pong. Ping pong! Ping pong, ping pong! Ooh, he's at least 8 seconds slower than his earlier. Can you tell he is drunk? Yes. Nice! My name is Borat. Ooh, that sings. And there he is.